Nakakita na ba kayo ng 3D printer na kayang mag-print ng gumagalaw na kamay? O kaya naman kayang mag-print ng puso? Yan ang nagawa ng mga researchers from ETH Zurich sa isang university sa Switzerland. Nagawa nila ito sa pamamagitan ng bagong technology na tinawag nilang vision-controlled jetting. Ito ay gumagamit ng machine vision system gaya ng camera at sensors para makakuha ng real-time data to guide, inspect, and control the process. Ang approach na ito na inilahad kamakailan lang sa Nature Journal ay nagpapalawak ng mga materyales na pwedeng gamitin sa inkjet 3D printing, and this opens to new possibilities. Hello everyone, welcome back sa ka-scibud, where we bring the latest breakthroughs in science and technology. Today, we're diving into a fascinating study published in Nature. At ang paper na ito ay ang Vision Control Jetting for Composite Systems and Robots. Tungkol saan nga ba ang study na ito? Ang goal ng mga researchers ay makagawa ng complex structures and functions na humarin tulad sa natural organisms. Kaya naman, kanilang pinopose ang isang inkjet deposition process tinawag nilang vision controlled jetting. Ito ay kayang mag-print ng komplikadong systems and robots, and by using this system, makakagawa ka ng functional 3D printed composed of different materials and it prints in one go. Dahil ito ay automatic at may self-feedback na kayang mag-adjust ng mga parameters in real time. But hold on, what is inkjet deposition process? Ito ay isang manufacturing technique na gumagamit ng inkjet technology. It's like your printer at home, but instead of using ink, ang ginagamit dito ay materials kagaya ng metals, polymers at ceramics. Ito ay nagresulta sa 3D printed object na may unique patterns, structures, and coatings. Ano nga ba ang naging resulta ng pag-aaral na ito? Sila ay nakagawa ng wide range of complex systems gaya ng tendon-driven hands, pneumatically actuated walking manipulators, pumps that mimic a heart, and metamaterial structures. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this quick dive into the world of vision control jetting and its potential application. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.